The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your x's together and leave a space, and then your y's together and leave a space, and you're going to move that 400 to the other side as a negative 400. So I'm going to take out the 25, and that would be plus 12x. 25 times 12, is that 300? 4 times 3, yeah. And then the box would be, the box would be 36. Half of 12 is 6. Squared is 36. Remember that? And then plus 4 y squared minus 20y plus 100. Half of 20 is 10. Squared is 100. Equals negative 400. What is 36 times 25?
Did you just?
Plus 900, and then 4 times 100 plus 100. I mean 400. All right, so now we just factor. So we got 25x plus 6 squared plus 4y minus 10 squared equals 900. If you notice, this equation equals 1. Well, in order to make this 900 a 1, I have to divide everything by 900. So this turns into x plus 6 squared over 36 plus y minus 10 squared over 225 maybe equals 1. Notice here there is an x squared and an x, but there's a y squared but no y. Okay? You only complete the square if there's a plane and a squared letter. If not, you don't complete the square for that way. So we're going to put the x's together. And this x is naked already. So we can add the plus box. What's half of 2 squared? 1. And then we have 9y squared. And we don't have to complete the box there. Equals 224 plus 1. Because this is the one that we added. There was nothing on the outside. This is actually so easy it's hard. So now we have, factoring the left side, x minus 1 squared plus 9y squared equals 225. And we divide everything by 225. And we get x minus 1 squared over 225 plus y squared over 25, I think, equals 1.